Before a coach begins the Respect in Sport program, they first view a short introduction to the program. Setting the stage for the program in this way is important in order to let the coach know the value of the program and how it will benefit them. This program is designed to help drive values throughout the organization, and this message from a leader in sports makes that clear and reinforces the positive tone of the entire course. Organizations that adopt the Respect in Sport program can also elect to create a custom introduction that speaks to the specific values they are focused on and often features the head of the organization. This allows them to present a specific value statement in a consistent fashion throughout the entire organization. Now, let's listen to a portion of Lanny's introduction to Respect in Sport.
Hi, I'm Lanny McDonald. You may know me from my many years as a hockey player, but today I'm here to talk about the importance of coaching, the responsibility and respect that comes with the job, and the reward that comes with having a positive influence on the young people you are fortunate enough to have in your care. The idea as parents and coaches that you are teaching them life skills as well as whatever sport they're playing. Doesn't matter the sport, it's the fact that they have a chance to participate. Coaching is a very challenging job, but what you get out of it is incomparable. You are shaping the lives of these young athletes and watching them succeed. There isn't any greater payback than that. And sometimes, because we have so many other things going on in our lives, maybe it's the right decision to pass and let someone else do it. Do it for all the right reasons, not about winning, about making a difference in these young people's lives for the rest of their lives. Regardless of what style of coaching you have, the bottom line is that it's all about the kids that you have in your care. Make it a great experience for them and set them up, build a foundation for the rest of their lives. Good luck to all of you, and remember, the kids come first.